Okay, now I would like to show all of you how to install the Primavera P6 Professional. So the first, we need to double click on the folder and then install the setup download here. Just double click on the setup. And then over here, we choose the typical, click OK, click install, click yes. So we need wait a few minutes for install this program. And then we choose the run the database configuration, clicks on OK, clone, yes, click on it and click on the next. And over here we choose the add a new standards database and connection, click next. And here we have the log name and the personal name. So for example, I use my username. I just copy from here to here and then enter the password. So I give the password and then confirm the new password. And then over here we use the database currency. I use $. I give a symbol over here. So just click on next. Here it is the database that we are storing on the my computer names database, and it is my database. And for take over here for load the sample, so I mean that in this program we have many sample for reference. So if you want to change, just click on here and change the location. So now I just keep on it and click on next. And this is alert to me because I used to install it and it didn't send the database, so I need to override on it. So I click on yes and then click on finish. So after we install it already, we just type on it. So I find the folder and then see over here overall Oracle's Primavera P6, and then I click on the PC6 Professional here. And here I need to put my full name like khengsengngon, and then I type my password and enter. So all the database need to put the password. Yes. Okay, and then click on the OK. It means that this software is successful. So now it is the way how to install the Primavera 6. Thank you.